Salutations. In this video I'll demonstrate how to render Blender files in the background using the Blender Render Background Bat or BRB. BRB is a batch script to render Blender files in the background on Windows devices. One might choose to use this script to render more stably, use less resources when rendering, or have a less distracting interface to track the progress of your render. The setup is very simple. First, you go to the GitHub page linked in the description, navigate to blenderrender.bat and click on the download button. Move the file to wherever is convenient. In this case, I just moved it to my desktop. And then you're going to right click blenderrenderback.bat and choose to edit with Notepad. More info, run it anyways. And then on line 10, you're going to enter the file path to blender.exe between the quotation marks. You can count the 10 lines, but it is also pretty clear where you're supposed to write it. So once you do this, you just click save, exit, and the BRB or BRB is set up to go. So before we start the render, we just need to prepare our Blender file. So you're going to want to navigate to that file and just make sure everything's to your liking. You have the right amount of frames selected, the correct output settings, and also the correct output location that you want. Then you're going to exit and save, and we can start up BRB. So once we started up BRB, we're going to enter the location of the target blend file either by dragging it onto the window or just typing up the file location. The file location can be found by going to properties. Just make sure that the file path is surrounded by quotation marks and ends with .blend, otherwise you're going to get an error message. Also note that files with spaces in the name will not work properly. So the location is typed, you hit enter, and if all is well, it will begin to render. You can see what frame is being rendered currently in the window, and when the render is complete, you can see the start and end time of the render. You're also given the option to start another render once it's complete. And as you can see, the render worked fine, and that is all there is to the video. So hope this helps, and have a nice day.